fair, balanced.
His name is Adam.
Asshole. Welcome to season 2 of Asshole. This is the battle of the unbeatens for who is the top asshole of them all. We got little crybaby Russie Pants, aka Rus Lyons, and we got Bama S'mores Brandon Neal. Now fuck off, I guess, just for you, cheese. We're off on Volcano. And Russ is off into the fairway. Bama, Brandon, gonna do the same thing. I don't know what fucking name to call them. Do I call them by their player name? Do I call them by their real name? Little crybaby Russ gonna try to jam this in here with a jab. Pull back 17 times. Let's see what happens. Any day. 47% misses left. Wah. Brandon, S'mores, Bama, 17 kids. Cleaning up puke as we speak. Gonna try the same exact shot and misses almost exactly the same. No blood. I think, pretty sure GSP's the tie break here. So, up and over this tree here with a snipey. Nice shot. Left 2 putt. And he fucking missed it. What a fucking loser. Oh my God. I suck, and I would have made that. For anyone who doesn't know, I am Adam Bogdnoff, a.k.a. Marinaras, and I suck at Golden Tee. And I would have made that putt. Oh, boy, that was awesome. But I'm going to call it fair match here. I am unbiased. I'm an unbiased journalist here. And I'm going to call it fair and square. S'mores, Bama. Left, sniper, good. In for bird. Russie Pants. Gonna try to float a jab in here with a high lofted club. Terrible. In birdie. Almost missed that putt too. Jesus, Russ. But I'm fair and square here. Bama into the sand. All right. That should be fine. Russie don't miss swipe this one. Dead straight. Where's that on the putts? Genius. Into the sand as well. 9 wood. Ranger. Come on. Any day. There we go. Left. Good shot. 87.02. I call it fair and square here. I don't guess GSPs.
I call fucking bullshit on that.
This is a 4-wood jab. I'm not familiar with this shot. Holy smokes, I'm going to have to try that. In for his eagle. Again, I suck at this game, so why would I try that ever? It would just hit the lip. Up and over the trees, sniper onto the green, good shot. Brandon Neal, S'mores, Bama, slides it in there. Russie missed a putt. He doesn't do that in real golf. Guy's never 3-putted in his life.
And that's fact. That's scientific fact.
Oh, all right. Slide it in there. Right 3, let's see. Oh, wow. Center cup. Cup. Whatever. Javelin 3-iron here from Bama S'mores Neal. And that looks like a good line. Does it get there? Oh, it does. Hole in uno. No putts necessary there for Brandon. Let's take a look at that again. This is just great. Distance control. Great. Oh, look at that. Little guy on the Standing there on the green, catches that little ball and pulls it right in. Let's see if Rus can answer back. Little Russie, freshly out of the womb. Doesn't even know his name yet. 98%. Up and in. Answers right back to stay down a stroke. Wow, that was fun. Okay, he's going to go to this little island here. Rus is going to go the more conventional route, I think, is what most people do here. Hopefully he doesn't hit a tree. Maybe a little bit. He's okay. He's got a Ranger out of the rough. This should bounce really hard when it gets to the green. 10-mile-an-hour wind in the face should slow it down a little bit. Wow, great shot. Just off the green. Should be a chip or a Ranger putt, maybe. Ranger. Don't bounce up. Okay. He's in with his eagle. Brandon's got a Brandon Bama. Brandon S'mores. Bama S'mores Neal. He's got a tough shot here. He's going to cut this up. And wow, that's a nice bounce. Almost gets on the green. He's going to have a little chip. Don't miss this, Brandon. Do not miss this. I'm getting a call from my wife. Hopefully it doesn't fuck up this recording. Oh, and it did. It paused it. Darn it. All right, we're back. He still hasn't chipped the ball yet. He's chipping it now. It's in. All right. Bama stays up one stroke. Off the tee, over the tree, sniper, up. Nice shot. GSPs? Nope. Let's see if Russie can get it a little closer. Get some more GSP lead. All right. Oh, it's going to be left and short. Okay. Whoa. I made it. Darn it. I mean, good putt, Rus. Good putt, Rus. All right, Brandon Bama. Roll Tide here. I mean, I'm fair. I'm a fair announcer. I hope they both hit good shots. That was okay. In for birdie. Rus, 6 wood. Javy. Let's see what he can do. Up. Oh, good shot. Rolled it right by. All right. Good swipe on his putt there. To the back we go. Are you supposed to say something about the Windy City Showdown? I don't know. Maybe not. All right, into the fairway. Hard kick to the right. Have a lofted wood up to the green. Maniacs, similar result. 7 wood. 7 wood. All right. In. Eagle. Sniper, 11 mile an hour. 11 mariners. Ooh, that was a funky little swipe. It's going to be right. But that's fine. He can make that no problem. Slides it in nice. Alrighty. Hook it around the trees. Get as far as you can. Nice shot. All right. I said hook. Hook it around the trees. Hook her around the trees. Whatever. Hands, feet, don't matter. Russie Poo with a nice jab. Rolled it right by. No GSP love there. Brandon Bama Neal is looking at a similar shot. Rolls it, rolls it, rolls it. Oh, 16,000? 19,000. 19. Any day. Still waiting. Quick shot, quick shot, quick shot, quick shot, quick shot, quick shot.
Son of a bitch, Paul, why didn't you just go home? That's your home! Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
Quick shot. Getting another call. Hope it doesn't mess up this video. 22,100 GSPs. Thank God we don't have to watch that again. Okay. Taps it in. Good. On to 12. 3 iron. Little. Ooh. All right. Little hooker there. A little too far. Rus gonna try a similar shot here. He goes up and over. Oh, good shot. Just trickles right of the hole there, though. He's up and in for his eagle. And Neal, S'mores, Brandon is going to have to chip this in. Oh, and he missed it. Russie Poo is back in the match. Little baby Rus tied up at 19, but S'mores here has the GSP advantage. Oh boy, okay, that's all right. So technically, I guess he's got a half a stroke lead here, which is all that matters at the end if they're tied. S'mores gonna go orbits. Classic fun ball. Oh, grid shot. Good shot. Great shot. 15,441 great shot points. Adds to his little half a stroke lead there. Russie Poo Poo is going to cut a sniper in here to the green. Let's see how he does. And that's right. And a little long. All right. On to number 14. Russie Poo with a 2-iron sniper. Gonna try to jam this in the hole. Any day. Come on. There we go. And he slides it just short and left. 8,198 GSP. Okay, here we go. Aggressive. Let this take something off. Let it trickle down there. 9 wood. That is going to be left of the hole. And a little long. Can he putt that? Let's see. Come on. Ooh, hopped. Bounced in. All right. Russie Poo off the tee. All the way up to that fairway. Maybe try to put a little stinger sniper on it. Jab. Okay. Just let something float down to the hole there. Send it out to the right. Come on. Any day. Bad swipe. Almost didn't hurt him. 38.85 GSPs. A couple suspect swipes from Rus. Brandon Neal. A little less club, I think. I don't know. Didn't look, to be honest. Good shot. GSPs, yep, 55.29. All right, all tied after 15. 16, here we go. Up to the island there. Sniper. Another different club selection, but should be just fine. We got a good old-fashioned shootout over the mountain.
And, shoot yourself off!
Russie first with the grabber. Coming in. Short, bounce to the right. Don't miss swipe. Center cup. All right, let's see if Brandon can do a little better here. That's going to be short as well. Just trickles on. Should be no problem. All right. Still tied. Brandon's got a 22,000-ish GSP lead, so Rus needs to get something really close here on 17 or 18. Left 8, 23 feet. Jarred it. No problem. All right. Brandon Bama, don't mess this up. This is a great call by me. Completely unbiased, fair, not one-sided whatsoever. Russie poo pants. Up and over the trees. He's on. He needs to get it close, and oh boy, that ain't gonna do it. He needs a massive mistake from Brandon Bama. Oh boy. All right, 16 mile an hour. He's going to cut this into the wind. Orbits. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Seals the deal. Brandon Bama S'mores Neal, father of 24, is your winner by 30,000 GSPs. Thanks for trying, Rus. Bye-bye.